Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Prius, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new videos, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2006 Toyota Prius 1.5. So right now the car is having a problem with the airbag. Now you can see that's the code for the airbag, and it's the clock spring. So I bought the part from Toyota. This is the part number, original. This is the new clock spring right here. Before you start working on the airbag, you need to disconnect the negative on the battery terminal before you start working on the airbag. So to take out the airbag, you're gonna pry out the two covers on the side right here, and then there's a Torx bolt on the side that's holding onto the airbag. That's on both sides, same thing. Pry out the cover, you get to the bolt right there, and then once you loosen it, you can get out the airbag just like that. And then for the connector right here, you're just gonna press on this tab on top, pull. Same thing for this one, press on the tab on top, pull. And then for the connector for the airbag, use a flathead, pry it from here, pop the lock up, and then you can pop it out like that, pop it out like that. And then this one is the horn wire. Horn connector, you're gonna press on this little lock right here, right in the middle. Press on this lock and pull down. And before you take it out the steering wheel, make sure the steering wheel is straight. And then I marked the steering wheel nut, so that way when I put it back, I don't want to over tighten it. It's a 19mm. There you go. And then I'm gonna mark it again. I'm gonna mark the steering wheel with the stud right here. Mark it with straight with this line, so when I put it back, it's straight center. So I'm gonna use white out, and then just mark it right there, pretty straight with the mark. So when I put it back, it's a line straight. For the steering wheel, if it's too tight, just kind of tap on the steering wheel like that all around, and then you can remove it. There you go. Take out these two screws right here, open up the cover so you can get access to the clock spring. Actually, one more screw down here on the cover right here, it's a Phillips. Take that one out too. And for the connector right here, press on this tab, pull back. Same thing for this one, pull on this tab back to get to unlock. For the clock spring, there's a hook right here, that's back. There's another hook on top right here. There you go, one on this side. There you go, here's the clock spring. Now I'm putting in the new one right here. Snap it in, there you go. And then you can break this piece out, and then reconnect your connector. There you go. There you go. And then put the cover back, put the two screw back, and the bottom screw. Now for the clock spring, you do not want to turn the clock spring. You want to leave it in the original place like that, and then just install the steering wheel back. After you got the steering wheel in, reconnect the two connectors on top right here for the clock spring. Line it back, same thing with the mark that you made, and then put the nut back. I'm gonna tighten it down. There you go, that's close enough. The airbag connector, you're gonna put back black to black, orange to orange. Plug it back in, lock it down, lock it down. There you go. And then the horn connector right here. And then just put it back, and then put back the two Torx bolt on the side, tighten it down, put the cover back. I already put the negative on the terminal on the battery back already. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code again, but I'm sure it clear itself. Current code. Oh, it clear itself, so that's good. I'm gonna clear it again just to be sure. Clear code. There you go, code clear. Turn the car off. Turn on the car, and then you guys want to make sure your car is fully turning left and right. So this is straight center. I'm gonna go fully left. So this is back to the center. Fully to the right, and it works. The horn is working. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.